Alright, so our wait was not bad at the security check. It's like no one was there. And we are headed for early morning entry at California Adventure today. So once again, it should be fun. We haven't hit Radiator Springs Racers yet, so we'll probably get a fast pass for that. And also do Toy Story Midway Mania a few times. So looking forward to lots of fun. But yeah, it's always nice early in the morning when things are comparatively empty.
Go ahead.
Alright, so it is early morning entry and the park is looking pretty empty right now. They recently, as of like yesterday, moved the Fast Pass for Radiator Springs Racers. So it is now over behind Ramone's. So the good news with that is that means they're going forward with a new Marvel expansion, so I'm very excited about that. And yeah, we will be saying goodbye to Bugs Land very soon. Alright, so where they have put the Fast Pass for Radiator Springs is right next to Flo's over here. So the park just opened for early entry for hotel guests. I already have Fast Passes for Radiator Springs Racers. And now we're gonna head over to Pixar Pier, not Paradise Pier, Pixar Pier, and we're gonna enjoy some of the stuff over there. So definitely one of the great perks of staying at a Disney hotel is getting in early to California Adventure. Off for a quick trip on Soarin'. I've posted this full front row ride of the Incredicoaster on a separate video, but I thought I'd still include it here in context of the trip. So if you want to skip ahead, just move ahead 3 minutes. Otherwise, enjoy the ride.
I'm Elastigirl. For your safety, make sure you pull down on the shoulder restraints on the blocks in place. Keep your eye on Jack Jack. And the baby is gone.
Dash, go get him.
Head back, face forward, and hold on! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Did you get it? He just disappeared. The baby is teleported to the next tunnel. Got it.
Come on, Cookie. Cookie.
coming down my eyes because, yeah, the wind is in your face. That was fun. Alright, we just got off the Pixar Pal Around Ferris wheel, and we are now headed to our Fast Pass with Radiator Springs Racers.
Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater!
Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! They race, huh? It's one of these. Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get out there and do it. Oh, Lord, it's the right time of night. Uno for the money, due for the show. Try to get ready and go out to go!
After racing around Radiator Springs, it was time for breakfast at Storytellers Cafe. Hey, how you doing?
Can we get a picture with you? Hi. A little chip on the way. Yeah, big fruit. Keep us on. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
All of it. Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then maybe you can get one of me and Nate together.
Yeah.
Over on this side. Yeah. Heyo. How you doing, Del? It's good. I haven't seen you for a while. Good. The last time I saw you, I was on a Disney cruise and you were living it up. Yeah. But good to see you in the forest. Yes. So many great options for breakfast. And on the other side of the buffet, they even have made to order omelets. So we're here at Storytellers Cafe, enjoying breakfast so far. We all got orange juices. Yeah, it's looking good.
You want that? You should serve it here. Some Dole Whip on the French toast.
Can we get a picture of you? Can we get a picture of you with those two?
Then you will be a few hours. Wow. Absolutely.
Ludo.
Look it up. There's a video called
How you doing?
Dancing in line for Space Mountain. I served that gentleman 15 cups of coffee. I think it's called Man Dancing. I don't remember the exact word. There's a few years ago. But the person making the video wasn't. Oh, look it up.
Clearly we had a blast at Chip and Dale's Critter Breakfast. And this was just a week or two before they changed the theme of the breakfast at Storytellers. It's now Mickey's Tales of Adventure. Next we went to see Black Panther, but someone else dropped by while we were waiting in line.
How are you going to see Black Panther? Oh, wonderful. Are you enjoying your day?
Yes.
What has been the most exciting thing you've done so far?
Meeting you.
Yes, that is the correct answer. That was always a test. You wouldn't believe how many people fail. Would you like a photograph while you're waiting?
Yes.
Well, have you met Groot? He's here today.
We haven't seen him today, but we met him before.
Very exciting.
Why are you sound so happy?
Oh, well, you were just talking about me, when you're talking about somebody and you're like, no, you're talking about them.
Everyone's always talking about me. I don't know why everyone's so obsessed with me.
Well, we're saying bad things.
As long as you're talking about me, I don't really care.
Any press is good press thing?
No, as long as you don't actually press me.
Great. That's easy to keep an eye on it.
How are you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Yes, good.
I like that shirt over here.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you. The last time I saw you two, we were on a cruise ship together, and you guys saved the day when Tony Stark's adventure got a little out of hand on the Disney cruise. So, so thank you for that.
Well, we do what we can.
Yes, but how are you guys doing?
Doing good.
Good?
I have a question for you.
Would you like to
Yes.
So have you completed this mission yet?
We haven't. This is our next plan. We need to get,
Next time you too as well?
Yes.
He's going for wishing churro.
Let me tell you, I've been on that mission before. It's been quite a stomach ache, but it is really good. It got to the point where Shuri wanted me to make a churro stand at Wakanda.
I think that's a great idea.
Of course you do.
All right. Can we get a picture together? Just should we work on it forever?
No, higher.
There we go. I'm professional over here.
Do anything different or?
Up to you guys.
All on a mission over here. I see some water assassins. What's cool? You got to get yourself out there available.
Practicing.
And right here.
Look at you, Miss Taylor.
Perf.
All right. Thank you so much. Then it was off to the Animation Academy to work on our art skills.
Before we get started, you also met another artist as you came in. His name is Derek. Alright, we'll take those drawings off your board so those are for you to see. They have a big fan of Jeff.
After our afternoon nap, we made it back for a fast pass at Toy Story Midway Mania and a chocolate at Ghirardelli's. Then it was time for dinner at the French Market. We ordered the French dip sandwich, two Royal Street chicken Caesar salads, and a pulled pork sandwich. All were excellent. Then for dessert, we headed over to the Stage Door Cafe for Jesse's Rodeo Funnel Cake. This was also excellent, and fun as part of the Pixar Fest. For this evening's entertainment, we decided to enjoy Paint the Night. To end the night, we watched the fireworks over at the Paradise Pier Hotel. Once again, a wonderful day. And that will do it for today. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure and give it a like. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you can see more vlogs like this and also see Disneyland and Disney Cruise food reviews. Thanks so much, and have a magical day.